Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I want to put in another row for cumulative payment. Cumulative payment. All right, so the next thing I want to do is, here it is. I'm going to start with our first example that we used. So always when I'm doing a formula, I always double click and start with what? Think about it. Always the equal sign. So here it is up here in my address bar, and I want to start typing in this for cumulative payment. CUMI, and it came right up, okay? If I have questions on it, I hit this question mark. Here is the formula. I've got to get all these figures in. It will calculate, it's already got that formula, so it's going to calculate it all for me. Okay, so first thing I want to do is put in the interest rate. I don't want to just say it's 4.5. I want to click on the cell. Why? Because if I need to change the interest rate, I can copy, paste it, change it, and we can compare everything. Okay, remember this is annual interest rate, so I have to divide it by 12 because it's per month, comma. The next thing I want is the number of periods. How many periods are there that I'm going to have to make payments? Again, I'm going to click on my cell C2, not the number 48, because as you can see, if I change my years, there's a formula in there. So it'll automatically change it, comma. Present value. Again, I want to use the loan amount. And remember, the loan amount was a formula again, because 25,000 was the car. Maybe I put 6,000 down. Maybe I put 3,000, and these things changed. So I want to click in the cell D2, okay, comma. First period. Well, I'm always, for this purpose, I'm going to just start with a 1, because it's what is the first period? It's a 1, okay? So I'm going to click on, I can just put it in there, 1. Last period is going to be, again, your 48th payment, okay? Because there's 12 payments in a year and there's going to be 48. Don't forget your comma. And I'm going to click on the cell again. Okay. They have put that in because if you wanted to see, like in year 2, how much interest you paid, you can adjust it. Okay. I'm going to put a comma there. And the end or the beginning. That means, are you paying your loan at the end or the beginning of the month? Okay, I am going to put a 0 there. I'll put a 0 because it's at the beginning of the month. So I'm going to put 0 and close my parentheses and hit enter. Okay, you should have come up with this number here. So this is $1,796, and if we wanted to round it, 78 cents. So basically, over those 4 years, on a loan that you took out for $19,000, you've also added almost $1,800 in interest payments. That's where the bank, that's how they make their money. So that money is going to go to your bank because they let you borrow that money. Okay? All right. So once you have that, you can do anything you want. You can click on it and right click, copy it, paste it into here. Okay? Notice that, again, it's the formula up here, but it changed these cells to say C3, D3. Okay? Up here, it said C2, D2. Okay? So if we think about this, well, we only put $3,000 down instead of six. So yeah, look at, we are paying more interest. Okay. Now the easiest way to copy and paste your formula is to just take this and go to the little bar over here where the dot is, drag it down. There it is. It puts all your formulas in.